Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel, and I hope you're doing well. And I am back once again, new and latest beautiful idea and beautiful style designing, like different and latest stylish looks and stylish designs. Here are some popular reviews for handbags and handbag styles, designs. Most beautiful, latest vibrant color, and different ideas. Remember the choice of yarn and color palette. Here are some creative project ideas, handbags ideas to inspire your next project and textured toto, and experiment with textured stitches like popcorn bubble or cable stitches to create a visually appealing texture and beautiful ideas, styles, looks, and creative ideas and creative styling. So, like braid look and combination and different combo with the crochet and with the different stitches stuff and braid look, like different and latest styling and designing. So guys, please keep sharing and watching my video and see this video till the end, and mention in comment section for your feedback and response. Or latest and stylish ideas and beautiful look style handbags designing looks. And here are some most popular ideas for different and beautiful looks. Guys,